engines!
Oh, Gary, I'm so excited! I can't believe tomorrow is the 117th anniversary of the Krusty Krab!
Meow.
That's right, Gary. Mr. Krabs is letting me have the party at my pineapple. He's letting me pay for everything, too. Isn't he great?
Meow.
SpongeBob, look sharp, me boy! Tomorrow's a very important day for Cashy. Think of all the Krabby Patties we'll sell.
Mr. Krabs, shouldn't the secret formula be in a safe place?
Good thinking, lad. Here, take the formula and put it somewhere safe.
Aye, aye, Mr. Krabs. I won't let you down. Hey, Patrick. What are you doing here?
Mr. Krabs hired me as security for the big event.
That... Oh, no. Patrick, where did I put the formula? I can't remember.
Did you look in your pocket?
It's not there.
Oh, hey, maybe it's in my pocket. Nope.
Okay, SpongeBob, don't panic. I can feel my normally carefree and jovial attitude dissolving away!
What does that mean?
It means I'm sad. And when I'm sad, I can't remember anything. Patrick, we need to find that formula before you-know-who does. P-L-A-N-K...
P-O-N.
Plankton, how long have you been there?
Long enough to know you're in big trouble. Well, SpongeBob, seeing as we are friends, it seems only right that I help you remember where you put the formula.
Oh, that would be so nice of you, Plankton. I'd love your help. Hey, wait a minute. How do I know you're not just trying to get the formula all for yourself?
My honest face?
Then okay, let's find that formula.
Okay, let's review, shall we? Step 1, strap sleeping SpongeBob into chair. Check. Step 2, shrink bots. Check. Step 3, do laundry. Insert bots into brain. Check. Step 4, turn on remote. Check and double check. Now, with this control, I'll guide my precious nanobots into the deepest recesses of SpongeBob's tiny mind, where I will extract from his memory banks the precise location of the Krabby Patty secret formula once and for all. It couldn't be easier. Okay, change of plans. I will now enter SpongeBob's brain and find the formula myself.
So let me get this straight. The only way you're going to remember where you put the formula is if you're happy.
That's my key story.
Seriously, SpongeBob, how hard can it be to make you happy? Oh, wait a second. Remember when we went jellyfishing? That made you happy.
Wow, Patrick, I feel happier already.
We've struck a memory gusher. Let's dig deeper. Hey, look at me! I'm jellyfishing! Here, little jellyfish, and get in my net!
I don't remember all these robots when we were jellyfishing.
Of course they were there. You probably just didn't notice them, what with all the fun you were having.
Yeah, you're right, Plankton. We probably just didn't notice them. It's happy. all SquarePants style. Man, am I glad that's over. Sorry, but you were in the way. I'm gonna nail you to the ground. I came, I smashed. Yes, on to the next challenge. Happiness is as happiness does. Happiness is as happiness does. I feel 32% happier. I am the sponge. Hey, where'd he go? Boing, boing, boing. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Out of my way! This hammer's got a mind of its own! Happiness is it. Pardon me, man. My brain is... Prepare to be... I am the sponge! That was easy. I didn't even break a sweat. I am the sponge. I think I can hit that button from here. Never underestimate the power of the sponge. Excuse me, happiness is as happiness does. I feel 32% happier. What? Boing, boing, boing. I am Spongehead! No! Shake me, but you can't break me.
Stop swimming so fast! I've only got 5 legs, and one of them's my head!
Do you ever feel like your life is just one big game? Who built these? A nervous carpenter? You can shake me, but you can't break me. it now quick! Or at least I'll knock you into a half hour from now. I feel... Happy happens! Hooray! This is kind of neat. I'll brush twice as long tonight. I am the sponge! I'm bursting with happiness! Fear my mighty hammer! I am the sponge! That's one less robot between me and the formula. With happiness. Happy happens! Hooray! Happiness. I can lick anything you throw at me. Happy. That'll put a little spring in your step. I could hug a jellyfish hive. I feel 32% happier. I'm so happy I could hug a jellyfish hive. Happiness is as happiness does. This is kind of... I am the sponge! That'll put a little spring in your step. I'm so happy I could hug boing, boing, boing. Happy happens! Hooray! I'm bursting with happiness. I'm so happy I could hug a jellyfish hive. That'll put a little spring in your step. I feel 30 boing, boing, boing. spring in your step. Boing, boing, boing. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Boing, boing, boing. There's a happy side. There was a fry cook had a snail, and Gary was his name, oh. That'll put a little spring in your step. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Boing, boing, boing. Bursting with happiness. Kind of neat. Happy! Hooray! I am the sponge!
Hey! You can probably use some aspirin about now. Patrick Wood! Robot! Let's move on! This C-Star made you C-Stars! That's funny! A wish is cover!
I can't wait to do that again. Oh, I am so rich. And I don't mean my pants. Happiness is as happiness does. And now the inevitable crash.
Oh yeah! How do you like me now? Especially robots and good cardiovascular workout. That's a smash! Let's go leave it, kid!
Oh, that was a blast. Again.
Using your head is so much fun! That's a smash! Let's go leave it, kid! Especially robots and good cardiovascular workout. You can probably use some aspirin about now. I'm not gonna hurt you, little jellyfish. I just want to keep you in a jar on top of my television.
I'm gonna chase you and you